If you're over 50 and you've been told to take it easy at the gym, whoever told you that just handed you a slow death sentence. Low testosterone doesn't just kill your strength. It kills your mood, your drive, your sleep, your marriage. But the research is very clear. You can fight back. And it starts with these 5 exercises. Let's talk about what's actually happening inside your body after 50. Testosterone production peaks in your early 20s. After that, gradual decline. Nothing dramatic until you hit your late 40s and 50s. That's when the wheels start coming off. Low energy, brain fog, loss of muscle no matter how hard you train, belly fat that won't move, mood swings, poor sleep. Sound familiar? Here's what most doctors won't tell you, and what most fitness guys get completely wrong. Cardio alone will not save you. Long, slow cardio can actually raise cortisol, which is the stress hormone that directly suppresses testosterone. What does work? Heavy, compound, explosive movement. The kind of training that sends a clear signal to your body. We need testosterone here. Now, so 5 exercises. In order of impact. Let's go. Exercise number 1, and it's not even close, the barbell back squat. This is the single most anabolic exercise a man can do. Why? Because it recruits more total muscle mass than almost anything else. Legs, glutes, core, lower back, everything fires at once. And when large muscle groups work together under load, your body floods the bloodstream with testosterone and growth hormone. Now, if you've got bad knees, I'll give you a modification. But don't skip this one. The move, bar on your upper traps. Feet shoulder width apart. Sit back and down like you're lowering yourself onto a low chair. Hit parallel or below if you can. Drive through your heels back to the top. Protocol for testosterone response. 4 sets. 4 to 6 reps. Heavy enough that rep 5 or 6 is a real fight. Rest 90 seconds to 2 minutes between sets. Modification. Goblet squat with a kettlebell or dumbbell. Same depth, same benefit, easier on the lower back. Exercise 2. The deadlift. And before you say, my back can't handle it, hear me out. A poorly performed deadlift will hurt your back. A correctly performed deadlift will save it. The deadlift works more muscle than any other single movement. Hamstrings, glutes, spinal erectors, traps, lats. It's a full body event. And the research on testosterone response to deadlifts is unambiguous. A 2021 study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning showed significant acute testosterone elevation following heavy deadlift sets in men 45 and older. The move, bar over midfoot. Hinge at the hips, not a squat, a hinge. Grip the bar. Brace your core like you're about to take a punch. Keep your chest proud, and drive the floor away. Bar stays close to your body the entire way up. Protocol 3 sets, 5 reps. Heavy. That's it. Deadlifts don't need volume, they need intensity. Modification, Romanian deadlift or trap bar deadlift. Both are excellent and easier to learn and listen. If you've been avoiding deadlifts because someone told you they'd wreck your back, that someone was training you wrong. With proper form and appropriate weight, this exercise is medicine. We're halfway through. Exercises 3, 4, and 5 are where most guys leave serious testosterone on the table. Exercise 5 in particular, almost nobody over 50 is doing it, and it might be the most important one on the list. Keep watching. Exercise 3, the standing overhead press. Key word, standing. Not seated, standing. Because when you press overhead while standing, you're forced to stabilize your entire core, hips, and spine. That full chain demand equals bigger hormonal response. This also hits your shoulders, triceps, and upper chest, areas that noticeably shrink after 50 without stimulus. And visually, nothing says, that guy still trains like a set of filled-out shoulders. The move, bar or dumbbells at shoulder height. Brace your core hard. Press straight up, lock out fully at the top. Lower under control. Protocol for sets, 6 to 8 reps. Controlled descent, 2 seconds down, explosive up. Modification, seated dumbbell press if balance or lower back is a concern. Still effective, just less total demand. Exercise 4, and this one surprised people, the heavy kettlebell swing. Not the light, high rep cardio swing. I'm talking a heavy bell. 24 kilograms minimum for most men over 50. And here's why this works so well. The kettlebell swing is a power movement. It trains your posterior chain, glutes, hamstrings, lower back through explosive hip drive. And explosive power-based training has been consistently shown in the literature to produce the highest acute testosterone spikes, even more than traditional strength training. There's also a metabolic component here. Your heart rate spikes, calories burned, body fat drops, and lower body fat directly correlates with higher testosterone levels, because body fat converts testosterone to estrogen. The leaner you are, the more testosterone you keep. The move. Hinge back. Let the bell swing between your legs, then explosively drive your hips forward. Stand tall at the top. Bell floats to chest height. Not a squat, a hinge. All hip. Protocol 5 sets. 10 reps. Heavy. 60 seconds rest between sets. Exercise 5. And I saved this one for last because it's the most underused, most underestimated testosterone tool in existence for men over 50. Sprinting. Not jogging. Not running. Sprinting. All-out effort, maximum intensity for 10 to 20 seconds at a time. Here's the science. Sprint intervals activate your fast twitch muscle fibers, the ones that shrink the fastest as you age, and the ones most directly linked to testosterone production. A 2020 study found that men who performed sprint interval training 3 times per week saw significantly greater testosterone increases than men doing steady-state cardio. And the session is short. You're not running a half marathon. You are working for a total of about 10 minutes. The protocol. Warm up 3 to 5 minutes of easy walking sprint at full effort for 10 to 15 seconds, walk for 90 seconds to recover, repeat 6 to 8 times done. Do this twice a week. Can be done outdoors, on a treadmill, or on a stationary bike at max resistance. Modification. If joints are a concern, bike sprints are zero impact and equally effective. So let's bring it all together. These are your 5:1. Barbell squat, the king. For sets. Heavy. 2. Deadlift, the full body signal. 3 sets. Heavy. 3. Standing overhead press, power and posture. For sets. 4. Heavy kettlebell swing, explosive power. 5 sets. 5. Sprint intervals, fast twitch revival. Twice a week. 3 strength sessions per week. 2 sprint sessions. That's 5 days. The other 2 you recover. And here's what will happen if you stay consistent for 8 to 12 weeks. More energy. Better sleep. Leaner midsection. Stronger muscles. Sharper mind. That's not hype, that's your body responding to exactly the stimulus it's been starving for. You are not too old. You are not broken. You just need to stop training like you're trying to survive and start training like you're trying to win. If this was useful, drop a comment telling me which of these 5 you're starting with. I read every single one. And if you want the full training program, the exact sets, reps, progressions, and nutrition guidelines for men over 50, I've linked it in the description. Subscribe if you're new. New video every week. I'll see you in the next one.